Hello everybody, welcome back. So today we're going to make a Hatchimals cake. Now this Hatchimal is slightly short and a little bit pudgy, but I still think it looks like a Hatchimal, so we're just going to go with it. This is so much fun to make. I think it'd be perfect for a birthday party. And if you guys didn't see it, I made Hatchimals cupcakes about a week ago. So I'll have that recipe linked in the cards right here if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, let's get started. Oh, but before we get started, I'm going to be announcing the winner of the Hatchimal giveaway. So if you guys want to see who won, make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video. So let's get started. Alright, so for the cake, I used my most favorite vanilla cake recipe. This is the most delicious cake recipe I think I've ever made. So I'll have that recipe in the description box below if you want to check it out. I also have the full recipe typed up, and I've changed the quantities a little bit so that when you make a Hatchimal, it will be slightly taller and less pudgy looking than mine. Yeah, so just to let you guys know. And I've also dyed it a pale blue to match with the color of the Hatchimal, but again, you can color it whatever color you'd like. And I'm also using the same buttercream recipe as I did in that vanilla cake video. So again, video is linked in the description box below as well as the recipe, just to speed the video up a little bit. So to assemble your Hatchimal, what you want to do first is slice the tops and the bottoms off of the cakes. Just to keep them nice and even and flat. And then you want to stack all of them together, spreading some blue buttercream between each layer. So I have 4 layers, but the recipe I'm giving you guys has 6 layers so that your Hatchimal will be taller. And so once you spread buttercream between each layer, you want to carve the cake into a Hatchimal shape, which is kind of like a little hourglass shape. And then coat the cake in a thin layer of blue buttercream, and then you want to pop that in the fridge for 20 minutes. And what chilling it in the fridge is going to do is it's going to stiffen the cake a little bit so that when you're decorating it, it's not as soft as it normally is, and it's just a lot easier to work with. Then you want to pop some purple and the remaining blue buttercream into piping bags fitted with the number 233 grass piping tip. This is going to create the illusion of fur, which I think is so cute. Then you want to pipe the little purple tummy and then the blue fur everywhere else. And you can pipe some extra blue fur onto the head to create its little ears. And then for the first time on my channel, we are using fondant. I've been intimidated by fondant for years, and then I realized it's just like Play-Doh. So if you've never used fondant before, Wilton makes the most amazing fondant. It's like buying Play-Doh, and all you have to do is like shape it. So I'll have it linked in the description box below. Oh my god, it's so handy to use. So what I did is I just shaped, or I created the little beak and its eyes and wings and a little unicorn, or a little Owlicorn horn out of fondant. And then what you want to just do is like stick them onto the cake. And if you have some trouble with them sticking, like the beak and the horn, just stick some toothpicks into them to create little anchors, and then stick the little beak and the toothpick into the cake, and that'll help hold it onto the cake. Are done. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. Again, if you want to make a full Hatchimals birthday party, check out my Hatchimals cupcakes video, which is linked in the cards here, to create like the cake and the matching cupcakes. I think it would be so much cute. So much cute. I think it would be so cute. Oh my gosh. But yes, on to the giveaway now. So again, the winner is going to receive this. This is the Hatchimals surprise. You get 2 in 1 box. It is the, I am awful pronouncing it, Griffin. I think it's supposed to be Griffin. Or Griffin and Raven maybe? Who knows? But either way, you get 2 in 1, which I thought was pretty cool. And so what I do for all my giveaways, if you guys are new, is that I use a little randomizer online so that I just put in the URL of the video and it randomly picks a comment. That's how I choose the winner so that everything is completely fair. Treacle's getting to my studio. Treacle, you're not supposed to. So the winner is, I need to double check. Nicole Garcia. So I'll have your comment on the screen here. So congratulations! I'm so excited that you won the Hatchimals. So so I'm gonna reply to your comment and let you know how to get in touch with me to get the little Hatchimals. But yeah, thank you guys so much for entering. I do a ton of giveaways all the time, so don't worry if you didn't win this time. I actually have something really excited planned. Oh my god, I'm losing my mind. Exciting planned for Christmas or Cookmas. If you guys are new, I upload every day in December, so I have something really exciting planned for that. So there will be many more opportunities for a giveaway during that time. I'm losing my mind. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you guys today because I know this video is late. I'll see you guys later today for another video. Bye. Treacle! Oh my goodness.